Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and oh my god, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new camera. I legit can't believe I'm saying that. This is so I'm just holding the scissors here, okay? I am so excited for this. This is on my vision board. This camera, I have wanted it since I started my YouTube channel, but you know what? You have to put in the work first before you can treat yourself. So I'm basically unboxing it for you now in today's video. So this is the box that came in. It's like a small little round box, and I also got a memory card and whatever in this box. Such a waste of cardboard, but you know what? So let's get this open. Oh, that's really cool. It says on the front, stories not included, so live for the story. This is my like bill or whatever. Ooh, okay, I mean, I feel like I should go up further maybe. No, that's like too much. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold it like this and unbox it with you guys here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I also got a case for the camera because, you know, I don't want to break it. Oh. But here it is. Yay! Okay, so this is the Canon G7x Mark II. It's power shot. Wow, guys. So open it up. So it opens up like this, and then on the top is the instructions, I presume, in every single language on this planet Earth. And then underneath, ooh, almost dropped this. Okay, so we've got a few things going on here. This is the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the camera to the last. Let's just go in here. So we've got charger, battery, wire, charger for the battery. Okay, let's open up the actual camera. Oh, guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh. Okay, so and the screen flips up like this. Oh my god, this is too much. Guys, I can't actually cope with this. This is too freaking much. Okay, so now, what's this? Oh! Wow. I wonder if the battery is already charged. I mean, wow. Okay, this is really weird. Wow, it shows up like everything. Ew, I don't know if I like this. It really shows like everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna take like a video. Is that recording now? Okay, so well, you're gonna be looking at me on the screen the same way I'm looking at myself on here. This is so weird. Okay, so I don't know if this is like working or not, but anyway, I'll see in a minute. Hey guys, so I am now recording on the camera. This is actually the day after from yesterday, so it's the next day now. I was just too excited yesterday and I just couldn't wait to like turn it on and see what it's like. So now it's fully charged or whatever, and it's recording. So I'm just gonna like record myself as well on this so you can see the difference. You've probably already seen the difference because I was recording on my phone yesterday and now I'm recording on this, so you probably see the difference, but I'm just gonna see now. So if I like insert this on the screen as well with it, just so you can see what it's like. So yeah, and I'll like actually turn the camera around so now you can see what I'm looking at. I zoom in. Yeah, you can see me there. But yeah, so far I'm loving this camera. It's a bit more to get used to. Like I have to try to focus on you and the lens there. I keep looking up at the viewfinder, but I have to remember to keep focused on the thing up there. And there's like a lot of things on the screen and it's kind of a bit confusing, but I will get the hang of this. I am so excited about this because this will allow me to record really cool stuff, and I really have really cool stuff planned. Like, you're not ready for the cool stuff, but yeah. And basically what comes in the package with this camera is, because when I was doing research on the reviews, they never really said what actually was in the box with the camera. So what you get is, you get the camera, you get a battery, you get a charger for the battery, and you get a wire for the battery charger. You also get a little safety kind of wrist thing that you attach to the camera that can wrap around your wrist, and that is it. That's all that comes with the camera. Then separately you have to buy the memory card. I got this one here. It's a 64GB one. I can just put that up to the screen if you can see that. That's the memory card I got. I'll insert the price like on the screen here. That's how much it was. It was expensive. Like, I didn't know memory cards were that expensive, but you know, they are. So hopefully that'll last me a while. I might get like another one for Christmas, you know. That'll be here as well, it's still in the shower, so it's still air drying. And yeah, that comes with it. Then separately to that, I got the memory card, and I also got a connector that connects to the camera to the laptop, so you can import all your files onto the laptop really easily. There's also a button on the camera where you can connect to Wi-Fi and import them that way, but I don't trust myself with technology, so I got this as a backup just in case I couldn't do that. And that is it. So this is such a super random video. Don't worry, this is just a one-time thing. I don't do many reviews. So if you like this, do hit the thumbs up button. Also, let me know in the comments what you thought. Are you thinking of picking up one of these? Would you buy one of these? Am I stupid for buying one of these? I don't think I am, because I think I deserved it, and I'm really happy with my purchase. It's really heavy as well. I don't think you realize it's really heavy, and I need to get a tripod so I can hold it, because it is a lot different to the phone, and it just feels a whole lot more natural to record on a camera than it is to record on your phone, which is really cool. And also, I can be like on my phone and take videos at the same time. I am rambling, but that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell to see notified whenever I upload. I have a video in the works at the minute for next week, and another video in the works for next week. So 2 videos coming next week. So be prepared, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.